Howdy, y'all. It's gonna be a scorcher today. Why? Because it's. Wait, I was just about to say it's July. It's not July no more, is it? It's August. It's fucking hot. Let me tell you. I'm not sure. Is that the same shade of pink as that? But look, it's spreading. And it's spreading eastward too. We got excessive heat warnings over there, like in Charleston, South Carolina or something. I think that's yeah, we got excessive heat warnings out there. Now you see how it's slightly less intense, pink or something? That's the shade for a red flag warning. That's where conditions are right, they're alerting the public. Don't be setting fires, you morons, because, the fire could spread quite quickly because conditions are very hot and dry and there's like drought conditions or something. I still have not found out why they call it a red flag warning. Surely there's some history. I mean, excessive heat warning, that makes sense. There's heat, it's excessive, we're warning you, but red flag? I mean, what's that about? Oh, hey, there may be some flags that are flying today, and they may be red. I don't know what that means. And then, of course, out there, Tropical Storm Emily, which we'll talk about soon, is up there. And, of course, you see, dry. So not only is it going to be oppressively hot, oh, yuck, we got in Texas, and Louisiana, and good grief, it looks like all of, what was that, Mississippi? I don't know, yeah. And Alabama, there's Georgia, Florida. See, I'm trying to know my states. I don't know. And this one up here, that's the potato state. That's all I know. So, dry and hot. This is a 5-day forecast. So, apparently Tropical Storm Emily is going to be dropping some water over there. So, with this, we can actually tell that it looks like, at least as predicted right now, that Florida will not see a whole lot of rain from Tropical Storm Emily, but out here they will. So go get your boat and put some buckets and capture that rain. I don't know. Slight risk today in areas. Today being August instead of July, because I like to look at my calendar and pay attention. We got a slight risk bubble there, a slight risk bubble there, and whatever the heck that shape is down there. Here's the probability of severe wind, as high as 15% in the slight risk areas, and then a 5% risk out here in the potato state. How about that? And then here's the probabilities of severe hail. Is up there in Montana, North Dakota. And then there's a tornado risk too, just 2%. Of course, I should say 2. Just because if they get a tornado, they get a tornado. And of course, they can have tornadoes anywhere. Tornadoes don't care. Hey, I looked at the map and I'm only supposed to land in these states today. No, tornadoes don't plan like that. Slight risk tomorrow in some other areas. Now, so does that mean we're going to get some excessive heat and some storms? I don't know how that happens. And here's the probability map of some, any severe weather event happening. So 5% for quite a few areas, and then 15%. So we've still got Category 3 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Hurricane Eugene. How about that? Hurricane Eugene's going to be a hurricane for a little bit more, and then a tropical storm, and then a depression. Just depress everybody. Thanks, Eugene. 20% chance tropical cyclone formation. Oh my, look at those menacing clouds. That looks like it's probably infrared instead of a satellite view. That just looks kind of goofy. Yeah, there's Eugene. How about that? There's our tropical storm, Emily. If we go further? I think it's further in instead of farther. The hurricane's going to be traveling farther towards Florida, but we're zooming in further. I don't know. Anyway, so apparently Tropical Storm Emily, they're still saying storm, and then Hurricane Emily. How about that? Here's some scientific gobbledygook with some plots and stuff, and it's saying basically the same thing that thing's saying. I don't know. Anyway, severe weather, you go to wickedwix.com, WICKEDWX. Stay indoors and crank up that AC.